If your LG Craft ice ball maker has stopped producing or is jamming up, here is how to troubleshoot it. Most ice ball issues are caused by simple mineral buildup or sensor alignment rather than total mechanical failure. Let us start by looking at the most common culprits behind a frozen or stalled unit. Always unplug your appliance before performing any internal inspection to ensure your safety. These three factors are the most frequent reasons why your ice balls are coming out deformed or not at all. Regular maintenance keeps the water lines clear and prevents the mold from sticking during the cycle. You can handle most minor stalls yourself, but internal motor failures usually require a certified technician. Pricing varies significantly based on whether you are just performing a deep clean or replacing the entire module. Using the test button allows you to see exactly where the mechanism is hanging up during the cycle. Understanding these three components helps you pinpoint if the issue is water delivery or the physical mold tray. Remember that consistent care often prevents these issues from recurring in the future. If these steps do not resolve your issue, check your manual for specific error codes and call LG support.